Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to talk about comparisons. Okay, so comparison in JS. There are many kind of comparison operators in JavaScript, but everyone return a boolean value that can be true or false. Okay, so let's have a loop. Let's say we have a function. Let's say person, and that takes a parameter age. Okay, let's say return simple and age. You can give any number. Let's say age is equal to 23. Okay, and now let me call this function person. Let's say we have 20. Okay, 22 is okay, and save it, refresh it. Here you can see we got it false because condition is not true. Let's say we just try to hit 22 and here we got it true. Okay, so that was very simple. Equality operator. And we also have another one, inequality operator, just exclamation mark. Okay, so this one. And now let me refresh it. Here you can see we got it false because it's saying that age is equal not 22. That is false. Okay, so let me show you another example. Okay, let's say we have 26 and now refresh it. Here we got it true because 22 is equal not 26. That is true, so we got it true. Okay, so that was very basics about comparisons. This was inequality comparison, and first one was equality comparisons. Okay, let's talk about strict equality operator. Okay, let's say we have 22. Okay, first of all give me another example. Let me write here 22. Okay, refresh it. Guys, here you can see we still got it true, but you can say here is this is a string and this is a number, and how is it possible that we are getting true? Okay, so now let me use another one. Okay, so it is a triple equal signs, that means strict equality operator, and save it and refresh it. You can see here we got it false because that is not true, because it is a string and it is a number, so that we cannot compare, so we are getting error. Okay, and let's say inequality strict inequality operator. Okay, so that was very easy comparison. Okay, and we also have another comparison. Let's say greater than 24. Refresh it. It is false. Okay, greater than and also equal than, still false. Okay, let me write here 22. True because one condition is true is equal to. Okay, and another one less than or equal than. Okay, still we will get true. Okay, so that we got it. And now let's talk about logical operators. In JavaScript we have two kind of logical operators, OR operators and AND operators. Okay, so first of all let's talk about OR operators. Okay, let me write here greater than, let's say 10, and now and. Okay, so let's say age less than 20. Okay, save it and refresh it. Here you can see we got it false because age is greater than 10 and less than 20, because so that here is, let's say right 14. Here we got it true. Okay, so let's say here less than, we got it false. Why? because for if we use logical operators and, then both conditions must be true. Okay, now let's talk about another operator, that is or. Okay, so it's simply just this symbol is just click on shift and upper tab from shift is you can find this tab. Okay, now refresh it again, we got it through. So that was very basic introduction about comparison in JavaScript. Hope you will like it.